Welcome to ArborSafe Tutorial 3, How to Search. In this video we will cover how to find trees using the search function, and we will explain how to perform both a basic and an advanced search. Firstly, click on your Tree List tab to show all the trees on site. Now let's begin with how to search for trees using the basic search bar here. To search for a specific tree, simply type in the tree number in the search bar and then click Search. After you click Search, your screen will load the original map, but only displaying the tree you searched for. Where the tree is located on the map is the actual location of the tree on your site. You can double-click on the triangle icon to view the information for that tree, or you can click on the tree list. And then we can click on Show Assessment here, which will show the assessment pop-up. For more on how to interpret this information, please watch the Understanding Your Tree Data video. Once you have completed your search, click on the Show All button to display all the site trees again. For a multiple tree search, you can either type single trees with a single space between them, like so, or a group of trees such as 23 to 28 using a hyphen between the tree numbers, or a mixture of both. And then click Search. When you do this, the multiple trees you have requested to search will be displayed on your map. So let's get all our trees back again, Show All. The Advanced Search button allows you to search for trees based on characteristics as opposed to numbers. To perform an advanced search, simply click on the Advanced Search button right here, and a small window will pop up. In this window are different ways to refine your results based on what trees you wish to search for. You have the option to perform a search based on the height, here's your heights, DBH, canopy spread, your health, the structure, age, and life expectancy. In the next column, you can search for defects. Your significance. Comments the arborists have made. And your risk. You can also search by common name and botanical name. For example, you could just type in English oak and click Search, and all the oaks on your site will appear. An example of a common advanced search, let's get our trees back, is you may wish to only view trees based on risk. To do this, click the field next to tree risk and select your desired search. For this demonstration, we will select only the critical, urgent, and high risk. Critical, urgent, and high risk, and then click Search. Now you can only see the critical, urgent, and high risk trees on your site. You can also refine your search even further by selecting multiple options. For example, you may want to see all your high-risk trees. We'll select high. That are listed for removal. So under tree risk, you would select high, and then under arborist action, select removal. And then click Search. So all your high-risk trees recommended for removal will appear on screen. You can then run a series of work orders for these trees to give to your tree contractors, which will list all the works required, or you could run a specific report or a chart on these trees to give you further information on their management options. For more information on utilizing the information found on your search, creating a map and running charts or reports of your selected trees, please see our tutorials on these specific subjects. Thank you for watching this video. If you require any more information not found in the tutorials, please contact your ArborSafe representative.